Okay, students, this is part 2 of week 6, how to add text exercise. And we left off with the last video with entering in just some basic lyrics from a song, Coldplay song. Now, go ahead and be sure that you're aware that this week's expressive typographic piece is based on something similar. So you can utilize the lyrics of your favorite song or a poem or something else in this actual composition that you're creating for this week. But this is the exercise, which is a little separate. But that's how one might put the lyrics onto a canvas. So we're going to continue on with choosing window paragraph styles. Okay, now we have the paragraph styles here, and the panel opens up, and to create a new paragraph style, we're going to click the Create New Style button. Double click the new style in the paragraph style panel. There we go, and the paragraph style options dialog box opens. Type a new style name if desired. We're just going to call it lyrics. Define the text and paragraph options you want in the paragraph style options dialog box, and then click OK. So it already pulled what I was using, the Rockwell extra bold, at the point size that I want and everything else. So we're going to keep that. And then go ahead and click OK. So that is now in your paragraph styles. Select the text paragraph again. So go ahead and go in. Create a second paragraph style in the same way. There you go. Okay. We're going to create a different one and allow it to default. And I'm going to type in this next one. Option 2 style. And I'll make it a different color. Okay. And say OK. So to apply a paragraph style, select a character, line, or paragraph of text, and then click a style name in the paragraph styles panel. So for example, we just created our styles, and if you were hoping to change the style, all you have to do is put your cursor right into that paragraph and then click on, lyrics. That's what it already is, but maybe you want it to be the option 2 style. So you can update any of those features at any point in time, but you can also apply them. You can go down to, you can create a basic paragraph style. And you can also apply the paragraph style. And you can see that it applied it, but the reason why it's a very small, and it's thinking of my lyrics as different paragraphs. So this indeed did pull the paragraph style, but it did so at a very small size. So it's 12 point. We'll make it, I think 125 was a good size for that. Okay, so when you're feeling like you want to change something, for example, I have the option 2 style and I want to apply the paragraph 1 style. It does so if you just stick your cursor in. But if you make a change, for example, if you want to change that because it didn't look contrasted enough up against that black sky, then you would then go ahead and clear the override. You can make as many changes as you want. Double click on it if you want. Change the color. And it does change it. It just shows a plus. So you know that that's been changed from the original paragraph style. So there's several ways you can do that, and then you don't have to continue to find whatever font and what size and what style each time you create it. For example, if you're going to do more of these, you'll keep the paragraph style panel open, and then you can always find those styles when you need them. So that's how you create text formats with type styles. And if you have any questions on that, let me know. I'll see you in next week's video.